the affiliation certificate.
That's right.
The declaration says Pakistan Nazariyati, not PTI.
No, it doesn't. And
What is the effect of this declaration?
Because, adding to that, I think,
Lord, this is a contradiction. There's
Sure,
a massive
We
contradiction.
want to push you in that direction. We understand it probably requires some interpretation of 67.
That's right.
That we'll take care of. But the question is that the certificate, as far as his story is concerned, the certificate of the party is of PTI.
That's right.
That's clear.
But the statement, then I will, the statement on oath, the affidavit, in terms of the most sacred document, or the one which is, if I had to choose out of these.
But in any case, your case, if I understood it correctly,
He changes further, sir.
no, that if you come back to tab D,
Ji, sir.
which is the PTI certificate,
Ji.
dated 13/1/2024,
Ji.
and signed by Barrister Ghar Ali Khan.
That's right, sir.
You say this is void ab initio anyway.
In any event. Bilkul, my lord has. So, my lord,
Mr. Skandar, before declaring I'm here.
I'm sorry.
Before declaring him as an independent candidate, did you seek his explanation about his party status?
Sir,
Or you declared him independent of your own?
my lord, I didn't declare him of my own. What I submit, my lord, I'll answer you. May I refer to, so in response to my lord's query, what I would say is that I acted on his application, which is at tab F. And I can get, again, my lord, I'm sorry, my Urdu is not the most fluent. I can get Arshad Saab to read this. But my submission, my lord, is, and it's for my lord's interpretation, of course, is that I received an application from him saying, please now convert me into a independent and issue me a symbol, which he asked for was shuttlecock. That was in the symbols for the pool for independents. But that was taken, so he was allotted
I
tower.
asked you shuttlecock because the symbol of Nazariyati was what?
Symbol of Naziyati was batsman, my
Batsman.
lord. Ji.
Independent.
My lord, have I answered my lord's query? Ji? Grateful, my lord.
And in the statutory declaration, it is further stated, which we have read so many times, that the affiliation certificate is attached herewith. So this was attached or not? Nazariyati.
My lord, वो जो हमारे record में जो attached आ रहा है वो PTI का है. My lord, I have filed as received. I may submit for Mr. Jasri
ये
Hayat.
देखें जी, जो ऑर्डर है ये एनेक्स सी, जो इस पे टैब सी है, ये ऑर्डर जो है ये रिटर्निंग ऑफिसर साहब का ऑर्डर है 30 दिसंबर 23 का.
बिल्कुल सर,
जब
बिल्कुल.
एक दफा पार्टी इसके नॉमिनेशन पेपर्स एक्सेप्ट हो गए,
जी सर.
तो उसके बाद ये इसके बाद ये 14 दिन के बाद की बात है.
सर.
एक दिन दिसंबर का
बिल्कुल सर.
और 13 दिन जनवरी के.
My lord.
उसके बाद ये नॉमिनेशन पार्टी कैंडिडेट जो है ये नजरियाती का आया है.
That's right.
तो
My lord.
इससे कोई इसके बाद एक्सेप्ट करने के बाद इनको कोई नोटिस इशू करा गया था?
My lord, may I answer this? My lord,
इनके पेपर एक्सेप्ट नहीं हुए या इसमें कोई लिखना है?
नहीं, my lord, इनके papers. My lord, again, I will go back for my lord's response to my lord's query. I'll go back to the point I made, or the submission I made earlier, is that, my lord, वो जो election, I'll go back to the election program. The election program and the Elections Act allows the election program, and the Election Act envisages that the final date for submission of party affiliation certificate is not, and I'll show some more forms to my lord where उन्होंने लिखा होता है साथ, as I had submitted, sir, that party affiliation certificate shall be submitted at the time of application for allotment of symbol. The law recognizes this, my lord, because section 67 says
At the time of acceptance of nomination paper, I don't think that they mention the affiliation of party in the order.
declaration. My lord, मैं कह रहा हूँ कि that's not a
While
matter
the
to
nomination
be checked
papers are
at that time.
आप इस तरह कहिए ना सिकंदर के 62, 63 के जो टेस्ट है उसको पास करने के लिए ऑर्डर होता है कि नॉमिनेशन पेपर्स आर एक्सेप्टेड.
बिल्कुल, my lord, I am grateful for that,
and it has
that
nothing
is
to do.
60 and
वो
61
basically देख रहे होते हैं कि आप disqualified तो नहीं है.
It has nothing to do with the symbol.
Yes, the symbol is
At that time.
is a separate and subsequent exercise which the law envisages. The last date for that was 13A.
It is clear अब
यानी जो डिक्लेरेशन है, डिक्लेरेशन उनको 24 तारीख की जो लास्ट डेट है अपने सबमिशन पेपर में डिक्लेरेशन लाजमी लिख देना चाहिए. उस डिक्लेरेशन के मुताबिक सर्टिफिकेट बेशक सिंबल लेने से पहले हो, लेकिन डिक्लेरेशन पहले होनी चाहिए.
बिल्कुल.
सपोज अगर पार्टी ए की तरफ से डिक्लेरेशन है तो पार्टी ए की सर्टिफिकेट एट द टाइम ऑफ इश्यूएंस सिंबल दिखाना होगा.
Sir, I think what my lord is saying, I'm also, I won't use the word page, but ये
इसमें इनके इन साहब
bow to my lords.
इन साहब ने तो लिखा है सुनिए था.
और आगे सर देखिए सर इसमें with utmost respect, and I think the best thing is what for me as counsel is what Mr. Justice Mansoor Ali Shah said, that I leave it for the bench now to interpret.
We're clear on the legal question.
There are
Interpret की बात-
every document in this sequence, with utmost respect of Mr. Hamid Raza, contradicts the previous one.
ये आपका स्टैंड क्या है? देखिए इसमें इन्होंने लिखा है सुनिए थे.
सर मेरा stance ये-
आप क्या इनको सुनिए थे का सर्टिफिकेट देना चाहिए था
Independent.
या अलायंस का देना चाहिए?
This is a hypothetical question, but I'll answer it. In my personal view, sir, it was, if he wished, I'll couch it like this, that if he wished to contest as SIC, he should have just said SIC and given his own ticket, which is what I submitted, that if all he had to do instead of these 3 somersaults was he wrote SIC, वो आगे PTI alliance लिखा हुआ है, that could be read as not applicable.
Even if it is alliance,
it
then
didn't
the
exist.
Declaration should have mentioned that he is the PTI candidate rather than
Independent.
The 66 declaration should have been consistent with that, with the tickets.
We understood your point. It's for us to interpret.
Thank you, my lord. It's for my lord. My
Just
lord,
one quick factual position, because I kept looking at the record. Could you just tell me what page would the decision of ECP dated 22nd of December?
my lord, it is not, it seems, मैं
nowhere
अब्दुल्ला से भी पूछ रहा था कि है कि नहीं, और मैंने dates कल लिखी थी, but
नहीं भी
यहाँ
नहीं
पे
record।
मेरे ख्याल में नहीं है, but when I sit down, I have a feeling it's somewhere, but not in my papers.
As long as you tell us where it is.
I will dig it out and I'll give the page to the court associates.
Thank
sir.
you. You can maybe
But
proceed.
that's a fair, I actually was looking for it yesterday, I kind of gave up. My lord, I'll quickly go back to my first legal submission, which was regarding the tickets of PTI.
Point three.
Three in a way. Sir, so I gave the dates in response to one of the queries. ECP decision came on 22nd. 10-1 Peshawar High Court. 13-1 the Honorable, the Supreme Court. My submission is, my lord, that between the 14th of January until the 7th of February, the day, basically until midnight of the 7th, on the eve of the 8th, which was the polling day, the PTI, again, there was no bar on it. And in fact, I was in those